The Northern Cardinal is a mid-sized songbird, also called by its common name cardinal, red cardinal, common cardinals, or redbird. It lives in North and South America, introduced to Bermuda in 17th century. It was also introduced to southern Arizona, southern California, and Hawaii. The bird is one of the many species of cardinal, so named for having the northernmost range plus its cardinal red color. The term redbird refers to a cardinal, but redbird can mean any red-colored bird. The cardinal, in its most common name and scientific name, refers to the red caps and robes that Roman Catholic cardinals wear, also known as cardinal red. Males and female calls are sexually dimorphic due to hormonal differences. It's called a northern cardinal to distinguish its range from other species. The natural habitat of the northern cardinal is wetland, shrubland, gardens, and woodlands. You can find them in the southern half of Maine to Minnesota, the Texas-Mexico border, southern Canada, Mexico, northern Guatemala, northern Belize, Bermuda, Hawaii, southern California, and southern Arizona. It nests in trees and shrubs. January through September is the mating season, which is when people are most likely to see the birds. The habitat of the redbird is dense shrubs and low trees about 3.3 to 9.8 feet above the ground. It is mostly the female who builds the nest, with the male providing nesting materials. The northern cardinal is a mid-sized songbird, characterized by its raised crest and bright beak featuring a coral color. It measures 8.3 to 9.3 inches in body length with a wingspan of 9.8 to 12.2 inches. Males are a cardinal red color and females are olive brown with red accents. Males are also somewhat larger in length and weight than females. Adults weigh 1.19 to 2.29 ounces with an average weight of 1.58 ounces. Due to their bright color, whether the red body of the males or the coral color of both of their beaks, they conceal their names in dense trees and shrubs. They do not migrate and do not molt their plumage into a dull color. Instead, they lose a few feathers at a time from their bodies and often lose all the feathers on their heads. Molting occurs during late summer through mid-autumn. Baby cardinals are born featherless with grey scaling and pink skin, and during molting get a tan color which changes to light malted browns and soft red before sexually dimorphic colors develop. Their beak starts off black and fade to a coral red color. Northern cardinal close relatives includes American sparrows and tanagers. The calls of males and females are sexually dimorphic due to the hormonal differences, however they are indistinguishable to the human ear. Northern cardinals have a variety of songs. Males are territorial and one of their call is clear high whistle from high up in a tree or defend their territory. Both sexes learn their songs and so their songs vary depending on their area. Their song consists of clear whistles in repeating patterns at first, which then become varied. They also make metallic, short, chipped sounds as warning calls against predators or for a pair to locate each other. When not mating, northern cardinals rejoin their flock. The northern cardinal typical food consists of grains, seeds, fruits, and insects. Insects include grasses, grains, tree birds, nuts, cutworms, caterpillar, grasshoppers, termites, spiders, and beetles, which it takes from the ground and pushes with its strong beak. The northern cardinal looks for good on the ground and it has bright colors. Other animals can easily see it. The search for food leaves it vulnerable to predators, especially birds of prey like eagles and owls, and more during the winter in contrast with snow. Other birds of prey that hunts northern cardinals are hawks, falcons, and shrikes. Snakes and domestic cats also hunt them. Even squirrel and chipmunks can kill them, as can crashing into windows. Predators of eggs and chicks are domestic cats, chipmunks, squirrels, crows, blue jays, and snakes. Mating season for Northern Cardinal begins as early as January and ends as late September. They usually mate for life, although they may have other mates between season, and when their mate dies, they find another one. Females lays eggs 1 to 6 days before completing the nest, with a clutch size of 3 or 4 eggs each time and 2 to 4 broods each year, with the first brood around March and the second between May and July. The eggs are white tinted brown, blue or green with brown, grey or lavender blotches, which get thicker at the larger end. According to the known facts about the bird, the northern cardinal is not endangered or threatened, but it can encounter many outdoor hazards. The IUCN Red List states its population is stable and listed as least concerns. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.